Hi guys, I am Priya. Welcome back to my channel. This is that time of the year where we get a lot of mangoes, and hence I present you the tutorial of making mango jam at home with very little components and at very less time. It's easy and fun and very tasty, I can assure you that. So the three main ingredients that are required to make mango jam are a mango, half lemon and castor sugar. Now these are the three ingredients that we have, and let's see the steps that are involved in making mango jam. Start off by cutting mangoes vertically with at least 1 centimeter separation. Repeat the same horizontally. This will result in squares, and by doing this it's easier for us to get the most pulp from the mango. And for the seed, what we do is take a knife or fork and get most of the pulp from the seed. And we are almost ready. So we need to get a smooth texture, so we use a grinder and grind the mango pulp that we have, which results in this texture. Now we use the three ingredients that we have, that is the grinded mango pulp, sugar and some lemon. Take a pan and keep it on a medium flame. See if it's enough hot and put in the mango pulp first. Make sure to saute, and we can add some sugar right now. This depends upon the sweetness of the mango. So first, it's always good to add less quantity of sugar, and when you keep sauteing it, it becomes this consistency, which is a little liquidy. And when it almost starts boiling, you can add in 2 to 3 spoons of lemon juice. This is very essential. You cannot do it without the lemon juice. So to see if our jam is ready or not, drop it on a plate and see if it is sliding through. If it isn't, then it means your jam is ready. And make sure you transfer it into a glass jar. Glass jar always works. And there you go, your mango jam is ready. If you've enjoyed watching this video, then make sure you give me a like, share, subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you.